Hello and welcome back to Tech Dive. A year ago, Nvidia dominated the AI semiconductor race. However, Advanced Micro Devices is now emerging as a potential competitor, promoting investors to consider whether AMD deserves a place in their portfolios. Here's a comparison of the two companies in the AI space to help assess which stock may offer better long-term investment opportunities. Nvidia's current position. Nvidia, well known for its semiconductor designs, is heavily involved in AI, gaming, autonomous vehicles, robotics, 5G networks, and data centers. With much of its revenues coming from chip sales, Nvidia also provides a comprehensive platform that enables developers to create, deploy, and scale enterprise applications on its hardware. The company initially rose to prominence in the late 90s by creating the Graphics Processing Unit or GPU primarily for gaming. In 2013, CEO Jensen Huang recognized AI as the future of computing, shifting Nvidia's focus toward programmable GPUs for complex computing tasks. This vision enabled Nvidia to become a leader in AI infrastructure, with the company now selling far more AI chips than any competitor. It boasts an impressive customer base, including top tech companies globally. AMD's position and strategy. Historically, AMD competed with Intel for Central Processing Unit or CPU market share, though Intel has remained the dominant player. However, since CEO Lisa Su launched AMD's high-performance Zen architecture in 2017, AMD has grown rapidly. In 2022, its market capitalization surpassed Intel's for the first time. Now AMD is refocusing on AI, making strategic moves to challenge Nvidia. Su has significantly increased the company's R&D budget and made key acquisitions such as Xilinx, Node.ai, and ZT Systems to strengthen its AI capabilities. Xilinx specializes in programmable processors, Node.ai develops open-source AI software, and ZT Systems designs infrastructure for data centers. Although AMD currently lags behind Nvidia, especially in data center revenues, it is positioning itself to capture a significant share of the growing AI chip market. AMD's recent efforts suggest it could soon become a formidable competitor in AI. Comparing AI strategies. Nvidia and AMD are not directly competing for the same AI-related revenue. Their approaches to the market differ in significant ways. Nvidia's AI strategy revolves around being the first and best in the market. This approach has paid off, with Huang's vision and the company's strong product development processes creating a substantial lead in the AI sector. Beyond hardware, Nvidia offers a comprehensive platform that includes optimized software and development libraries, making it more challenging for customers to switch providers. AMD's AI strategy. AMD is following a different strategy, similar to how it competed with Intel in the CPU market, by offering a better value. AMD aims to provide similar or slightly lower performance than Nvidia's AI chips, but at a lower cost. This approach is intended to attract customers looking for performance at a lower price point. While AMD is not focused on offering a full platform as Nvidia, it's taking steps to broaden its offerings. For example, the acquisition of ZT Systems allows AMD to provide the necessary infrastructure for data centers. Financial performance. In terms of revenue, Nvidia is much larger, with $96 billion in trailing 12 months revenues compared to AMD's $23 billion. However, Nvidia's earnings per share at $2.13 are only slightly higher than AMD's 84 cents per share, reflecting AMD's potential for profitability despite its smaller size. Both companies report AI-related revenues within their data center divisions. Nvidia's data center revenue for the most recent quarter reached $26.3 billion, up 154% year over year, while AMD's data center revenue grew 115% to $2.8 billion. Valuation and market potential. Nvidia is the third largest public company globally, with a market cap of $2.89 trillion. Its valuation ratios, including its price-to-book ratio, are significantly higher than AMD's, reflecting its premium positioning in the market. However, both companies have comparable upsides according to analyst price targets. Market shares and competitive position. Nvidia currently holds an estimated 80% of the share in the AI chip market and enjoys a strong reputation as the leader. On the other hand, AMD is working to establish itself as a viable second option. The AI market is expected to be large enough for multiple players, and AMD aims to capture a sizable portion. As companies building AI infrastructure seek multiple suppliers to avoid over-reliance on a single vendor, AMD's open-source software could provide an advantage over Nvidia's proprietary CUDA platform, offering flexibility that some customers may prefer. Product offerings and technological leadership. Nvidia's AI portfolio includes specialized architectures like Blackwell, Hopper, and Ada Lovelace, as well as GPUs for both data centers and consumer PCs. The company also develops software tools like CUDA and Omniverse, providing a full ecosystem for AI application development. AMD, in contrast, offers architectures such as AMD XDNA2, CDNA, and RDNA, along with its MI300 accelerators and Versal Adaptive SoCs. The company also supports AI development with software tools like ROCm and Vitis AI, positioning itself as a competitor in both hardware and software. Growth opportunities. The AI infrastructure market is expected to see strong double-digit growth in the coming years. However, the growth outlook differs from Nvidia and AMD. Nvidia, with its dominant market share, will be focused on defending its position, while AMD, a relative newcomer, is playing offensive. Nvidia's growth potential. Nvidia's challenge is to maintain its leadership while continuing to innovate. As the company has already experienced rapid growth, future gains may be more difficult to achieve. However, by improving its platform and shortening product refresh cycle, Nvidia could very well expand its reach and defend its market position. AMD's growth potential. For AMD, the growth potential is more pronounced. Although AMD's current chip is not as powerful as Nvidia's, they are priced more competitively and perform at about 80% of Nvidia's level. This gap may close as AMD continues to refine its technology and providing a significant opportunity for revenue growth. Challenges and risks. Both companies face challenges related to supply constraints, regulatory issues, and rising competition. However, they also face unique challenges based on their respective positions in the AI market. Nvidia's risks. Nvidia's main challenge is defending its dominant position. As competitors like AMD close the technology gap, Nvidia must continue to innovate and execute product rollouts without missteps. Any failure to maintain its leadership position could result in losses of market share, which would likely lead to a drop in revenue and stock price volatility. AMD's risks. For AMD, the primary risk lies in its ability to secure a solid position in the second-best AI chip provider. The company must integrate its recent acquisitions successfully and avoid supply chain or strategic missteps. If AMD fails to capitalize on any of its opportunities, other competitors like Intel may step in and capture market share. Analyst opinions and market sentiment. Analysts are generally optimistic about both Nvidia and AMD, with both stocks receiving strong buy ratings from a majority of analysts. Nvidia has outperformed AMD in the broader market over the last 6 months, but in the most recent month, Nvidia's stock price declined, while AMD posted modest gains. This fluctuation is partly due to Nvidia's high valuation, making it sensitive to economic news. Which AI stock is a better buy? From a value and upside perspective, AMD appears to be a more attractive AI stock right now. While Nvidia remains the market leader with a strong track record, AMD's position as the underdog provides greater growth potential, especially given the size of the AI market. Even a smaller share of this rapidly expanding market could mean significant revenue growth for AMD. Nvidia is an established leader, but the rapid growth it has already experienced may be harder to replicate, leading to potential volatility in its stock price. Meanwhile, AMD is well positioned to grow from its current, smaller base, making it a compelling option for investors looking for AI exposure at a lower cost.